Welcome back. Now that you know how to use the design menu and the picture background, what we're going to do is go to the view menu and then we're going to go to the slide master. Now the slide master is a way that we can make changes to the background of all of our slides at once or all of a type of slide at one time. So again, for example, if we only want to make changes to the master slide, what we would do is click on the master slide. We would then go to format the background of that slide. Then we'd go to the picture fill. We'd go to our file and we'd grab the picture that we want to put in the background. We would then make it transparent. And then you'll notice that in the slide master view that the content slide is not going to look like the master slide. You'll also notice that the slide at the very top, which controls the look of the entire presentation and all of the different views, it doesn't have the background. So the only time that we'll have this picture background now is when we'll use the master slide. So to demonstrate this, what we're going to do now is close the master view, and what we're going to do is we're going to click New Slide. And when we click New Slide, you're going to pull out a title slide, and that title slide is going to look like the one where we have the picture background. However, what will happen now is when we pull out a content slide, that content slide is not going to look now like the master slide. For example, when we click Title and Content, you'll see that this background is now plain white. And we can make all of the same changes that we made when we did the design background here on this master slide. So if we want to add artistic effects, we can do that. If we want to work with the brightness, contrast, or sharpen or soften some of the colors, we can do that also. So basically, with the same set of skills that we picked up by doing the picture background on one slide, we can also do that on several kinds of slides. And again, to reset the slide master, all we'll need to do is to click Reset the Background, and then our entire presentation will be the plain white office theme. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.